So today we will discuss about the format of informal letter or friendly letter. So first thing that is there in the format is the sender's address. The sender's address is same as how we wrote for the formal letter. It should be of 3 lines only. And here I have given an example. This example is same as the one I have given in the example of the formal letter. So you can write this, or this is just an example. You can write your own, you can make your own address and write down, but it should be of 3 lines. That is what is important. The second point in the format is the date. Date is also written in the same way as it is written in the formal letter. Next is the salutation. Now this is little different from the formal letter. As you can see here, if we have to address our friends or brothers and sisters, then we have to write my dear Rupa or my dear Ankit. But if we have to write the letter to our parents, we have to write my dear daddy or my dear mummy. Now there is a little difference here. As you can see, there are 3 words, and also the way of writing is different. See, my has M capital, then dear D small, then the name begins with a capital letter. So we have to remember the sequence: capital, small, capital. This is for the salutation of the friendly letter or informal letter, and we need to keep this in mind. Even if we are writing to our friends, earlier we used to write my dear friend. Now the word friend has been removed. This is the only format that has been given in the guidelines according to the latest format of informal letter. So we need to follow this guideline. We need to follow this format. Next is the body. Body again is of 3 paragraphs, similar to that in the formal letter. So this I will discuss with you by giving an example in my next videos. Then the last point here in the formal letter is the subscription. The subscription can be written in 2 ways. Either you can write yours affectionately, or you can use yours lovingly. As you can see here, there is no thanking you, because that is used only in a formal letter. When you are addressing someone formally, there the subscription requires thanking you. As this is an informal letter, you need not use that. You have to use only yours affectionately, and here also you can see Y is capital, A small, Y capital, L small. This is how we write the subscription, and it ends with only your first name. You need not write your full name. I have given you 2 examples here, and in both examples I have written only the first names. So that is what you have to write. Another thing here, informal letter requires only one address, sender's address. If you are sending the letter, your address is only required. As you can see, there is no receiver's address. Sometimes children get confused between formal letter and informal letter, and they write receiver's address even in this format, but that is wrong. Please remember this format and write only the sender's address. Hope this format will be useful for you. You can always refer to it whenever you need, and don't forget to like and subscribe.